think.
Roll out. Let me know. Communicate up front.
Turn 2, boys. Here we go.
Let's go, man. Right here. Now, turn toes. Go, babe. Good. Good. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, man. Run it, roll it. Working, kid. What's up, kid? Let's go, man. Come there.
That boy.
Back and wait on it.
Okay.
Hey, here!
It'll be okay.
There you go. Now.
They're not out there.
Let's go!
Yeah! Nice goal!
That's awesome. Yeah. What did he catch?
Nice throw, kid.
Huh, Cass? Let's work, Doc. Hey! Nice fit. Come on, Bobby, lift it. Come on, Bobby. Hey, quick, go ahead. Go, babe. Keep working, kid. Go, kid. Good now. What?
Good.
Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. Hey, let him know. Help me. Easy way.
Nice. Ooh. Hey, nice pitch, kid. Nice pitch.
Roll it out! Let's go! I want 5 out! Let's go, baby!
Yeah, boy!
Win the battle, win the battle. Kid. Here we go, Bobby. Now.
Yeah. That boy.
My buddy, his dad lives out there, so I think he's out there for about 2 or 3 years. Yeah, it is. Oh, no?
Big bro, how you doing, man? Good. Good question. Just want to make sure we're in the same count, because I know that matters the most. I have 13. What do you have? Yes, sir.
That's the reason they stopped it.
One down? All right, that works. And then the cap is 30. Coming for tomorrow is it 25? Yeah. No worries, I can look it up. I got you. Nah, brother, we here for a short time, not a long time. Hey, W Channel, let's go. Hey, gotta win pitch 1, not 2, okay? Not too high. Win pitch 1. Hey, come on, eh?
Come on, Tulane.
Jump on it.
Read it, Tulane, read it. Here we go. Yeah, boy.
See it up right here. Look for them straight. Hey, let's go, man. Hey, go take 9 years old, kid.
I know.
Let's go.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
Anybody got a knife? Yeah.
Back out. Hey, go.
Thank you. Next guy behind.
Hey, we got him.
Oh, he made it?
No, he's about to get warmed up. He's about to pitch next. That's why. You all right with that, coach? We had a quick conference. Let's get it. He said that. Hey, you're good. He said that. If he didn't say it, I wouldn't have done it. That's why. Let's go, Jay.
You got it, you got it, here you go.
Yeah, Drake. Go.
Now, boys.
Come on, Papas. You got it, mijo.
Hey, have some fun, kids. Here we go, have some fun. Hey, have fun.
On the ground, gotta go.
Let's go, 4-7. Good job, buddy.
Get out, here we go.
Good eye, mijo. Good eye.
Now, boys.
Yeah! Hey, vamos! Let's go! I'm not 4-7, I'm down!
Get out. Here we go.
Nice cut, Papas. You got it, mijo.
I like it. Come on, find the way. There we go, Santos.
Up.
Less than 2 outs, got to be something you can try. You understand that? It's a pitch that you make a mistake on. Let's go. I got you. Hey, on the right side, you're
You got it, Papas.
Hey, you're scoring till I stop you. You what?
Read it, mijo, read it. Here we go.
Right. Here goes. That goes. That was it, bro. That's what it is.
Hey, go with it. Here we go.
Have fun. Come on.
You got two, mijo. You got it.
Hey. Here we go. Here I am now. Oh, man. Let's go. Here we go. Let's go, 4-7. Ready. Here we go. Go, man. Santos, easy out here, man. Top. Here we go. Two, Santos, not too much. Now, good. Here we go.
Now, boys, get out. Let's go.
Good job, Papas.
Hey, don't wait. Oh, no, go.
Have another boyfriend, baby. Well, if I don't.
I'll take it right now. This is way. Hey, head up, man.
Good eye,
Now,
kid.
boys, good eye, kid. Now,
Good
boys,
eye,
good
kid. Good eye,
eye.
good eye.
Hey, go to a stop. Let's go. Be smart. Let's go. W Chatter. Let's go. Let's go, man. Are you taking him up, man?
Hey.
Nice win, kid. Nice win. Here we go.
You got it, kid. You got it.
Hey, Logan, see. I'll take it right now. Where's that?
Good eye, kid.
Hey, listen. Jacob. Hey, you're not going to hit a far bomb, right? You can shoot her. Hey, look out, Will. Sports my stop. Right there, Gabe. Right there. See. There you go. Yeah. There we go.
Go! Yeah.
Let's go, number 19. You got it, kid.
Keep it going, guys. Let's go, Ryder. It's your turn. Let's go. Ryder. Ryder. Bring out here. Yes. You understand that? Hey, Boyle on the backside. Go, pick me up.
Ya me lo va a Big toe. Big toe. Hey, swing. Oh, right there. Swing. All right. Come down. No.
What? Hey, I'm not right here. Hey, I'm not. Come here.
Now you got it, kid.
The whole field, yeah. The whole field. Big hole right there. Hook him out. Hey, I'm not right here. Come here. Yes, sir. Get it out.
Atta boy, way to read it.
Find a way.
Now.
Hey! Ball coming! Hey, Sports my stop! Eyes up! Nah, we ain't going nowhere. We're good. Yo, Sports my stop. Right side, you have to score. Get this dribble, you have to score.
Come on, boy, here we go, kid.
Go to work. Get off.
Good eye, kid. Good eye. That needs to be a Angel side.
Go, 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 go!
I got it. You can't hit a home run. What you can't do is a job.
Yes,
nice swing. Brian would not have you back. Yep.
Good eye, kid.
Everybody gets to the work. Leave me alone. That's not bad questions right there, bro. Hey, 2 and 1 inning, automatic. Pick check. $13 on the mound. 13. You don't bring it. Yeah. They said Cali. They want some smoke.
Look at all the waiting he's doing.
Hey, it's gonna work. Hey, whip pitch 1, whip pitch 2. W Tyler in here, let's go.
Let's go, Anson. Here we go, Anson. Let's go, 3-0.
Right in. Yup.
Get out, here you go.
Hey, you're on it.
Copper. Crap a lot. Still good? That's you. First one on you. Yeah, you're right. Oh, 400 ball. Hey, parking lot. Parking lot. Hey, big black SUV. Parking lot. Yes. Noah.
Come on, 3-0. Let's go, kid. Bring him in. Here we go.
All right, 3-0.
That boy, good eye.
Win. Go, win. Yeah, come on. You ready, man?
You're on it, 3-0.
No, you don't gotta go. Somebody else go. Somebody else go.
Battle, kid. Battle. Here we go.
Make your ball forward here. Come on,
Get at that 3-0. Win it.
here, you dug out.
Heavyweights.
Very nice.
You go, 3-0.
Catch her. Catch her. Again. Lights on here. Lights on. Take one. Sweet game, that boy. That boy. Very nice game.
Let's go, Gabe.
Yeah, let's go, boys. Go, look out. Again.
You got a kid.
I got to that show with the ball. Up, up, up.
Okay, right here, bud.
Good job, dude. Let's go, kid.
Nobody, nobody.
Good eye, good eye.
Hey, one down, so we can elevate. Go. Win. Go, dig out.
Hey, don't shut down. Wait till we get this in on level.
Got it.
It's all right, kid. It's all right.
It's more about the low than the pitch, right? The low and down. The low should be what? Yeah, flat, right? That low.
Hey, we got two. Be ready.
Right. Yeah.
I'm gonna do. I didn't have that one.
Good job now.
Hey, what to make contact? What are you gonna do?
Go, move it, go. Beat him up, beat him up. Go.
Yeah. Dude, I was like, that's wherever it goes, hey, keep working, let's go. Keep working, let's go. How the baseball to play?
Do you know what's his name?
What number is he?
How old is he?
40? Yeah. No, I need Jason Balmy, B-A-L-M-Y. B-A-L-M-Y.
Whoa!
Back throw, kid, out of boy.
Oh, do you still have the same picture?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Hey, talk about it. Lefties! Get it, Tommy. Get there.
Out boy, nice pitch.
Where to be? Do I hit him? No, it's on video, so
Hey, let me hear it.
What the heck?
Go, Tom. Wait. Come on, ball. Go, babe. Big boy here. Don't rush, Bob. Don't rush.
Here you go, Farho. Come on, kid. Here we go. That boy.
Very nice, come here.
Oh, nice.
Hey, come on, y'all. Let's go. Yeah, hats on. Let's go. Hey, big ball here. Very nice. Very nice. Expect.
Go here, quiet hands.
Hey, big ball right here. Big ball right here.
Go.
That boy.
Stop, please.
That boy, Farho.
One of them even said that. You get it, but it's a long drive here, so yeah,
Hey, two more reset.
No, I don't know who this guy is. We have a lot of fill-ins too, so I have no idea. Some of these guys have time.
How many?
No? Yeah, we're a little disorganized this time.
So it was just, I was
Hey, sweet boy, no wait for AB. Let's go. Hey, it's go. Yourself. Let's go. Not on that. All coaches. Let's go.
even our situation, I know some say,
Hey, win! Let's go! Done your chatter!
Die!
One out. Turn it loose. Here we go now. MLB, you gotta win it, all right? Shut him down.
Ah, boy, July.
Go, Cass. Yes. Yeah. Go,
There you go.
That way, Bobby. Yeah, good night. Let's go.
Hey, stay locked in, boys. Hey,
Five. Come on, I need three. Let's go.
Come on, Foro. Here we go, kid. Oh, boy, nice.
Let's go, Papas! Got it, Papa!
Start up there, no back kick. Hey, you gotta be something to draw. Wait for the mistake.
Ah, boy, get out.
You got it, Papas!
All right, you ready now, kid? Here we go. Look up on it, read it.
You know where it's at, Papas?
Get out, get out.
Hey!
All right. Come on, pop up in there, kid.
Come on, boy.
You got it, mijo. Anything close, Papa?
Get out, get out. Come on, get out.
Hey, W. Chandler over there, let's go.
Go, go, go.
Let's go.
Hey, boy. Boy. Hey, go with it, go with it.
Hey, W. Chandler, let's go. You're drifting. No drifting. Let's go.
Keep your head in there, kid. Here we go.
Get out.
Oh, she did say the box.
Tag. Period. That's chapter 1. All right.
Hey, hey, stay inside your backside. Stay inside.
Jacob! Jacob, good job, son. Let's go, come on out.
Nobody. Back. Ah, boy. Make him work. There you go. Oh, there you go.
Good, Ryder. That's it. Have one.
Nobody.
Got it, kid.
Here you go, 1-9. Bring him in, kid.
Hey, win it right here. Win.
Nobody.
That's good. Go ahead. Go, Ryder. Next time we're red side.
The ankle.
Good.
Ah, boy, get on. Hey, way to make it work, Papa. Ah, boy.
Let's go. Why are we walking? Hustle, let's go.
Yeah, bottom of
Go. Get out, let's go.
What? I've seen Yankees.
Hey, you ready to flip it? No.
Usually when the guy's throwing that fast, we gotta go catch him. What? He was high school. We had not last year so much, but 2 years ago, we had like 4 guys throw. Our high school's out here, we're building up. They're doing their thing. Next week we have next weekend we have the border battle. They're playing like Westlake Harvard, Preston, all the California schools. A couple of Nevada schools coming in. Yeah, it's like a free high school tour. They call it border battle.
Past the dome, right? Snapping the picture. Not going past the dome, right? I got it. Oh!
Different division.
Not a ball.
Nobody's
Hey, tell them where they're going.
You're now in trials we on Monday.
Nobody.
But then other than two colors, get up to
Go get him. Yeah. Good work, guys. I ain't wearing no pants, bud. Riders, set it up! Set it up, Riders! Don't talk this. Come on, Nick. Relax. Hey, corner! I want you to switch. No, right! Take a spinner. Walk this away. No one taking you. Let's go, kid. Hey, talk about it. Let's go. Making adjustment on big. Not a big short. Smaller adjustment. One day. That's how the people feel.
Don't lose him, kid. Here we go. Don't lose him. Take him on it.
Hey, you look good, but you ain't that pretty. Hey, where you supposed to be? Nice picture. Nate, where you supposed to be? Come on now. Let's go. Straight up, this girl on the ground, walk on. That's it. You got to do it the way. Come on. Let's go, babe. Hey, let me know, Bobby. Come on, kid. Come here, Nate.
It looked cool. Seeing, not the post, but do that one. So I was like, no, I want to do this one. Yeah, okay.
That's one more.
Well, if we were going to stop a couple times to gather, so we were going
I was here
yeah, kind of. I mean, I can't really go on the show, but oh my god, we can upsplit the week for hours. I'm like, oh yeah. So, son goes to cut his ear, and so and it was like, you can see it part. I'm like, oh dude, you gotta go to the ER, you can't. So you were there for like, I don't understand why you were there for so long, but everybody else was going through, and we were being seen. So we sleep and everything. Right. I'll be able to do this. I don't know what kind of days I'm now. Depending on how they do it, if we don't make it all the time. Yeah. We be at a certain way this time? Yes. No, I'm not going. Right, 30. I didn't think you took it off. But now took it off. You know what? Oh, exactly. Right? I mean, I didn't work yesterday. And I did the George. I mean, I requested when that schedule came out and we decided I didn't request it when I was thinking October. So this is like part of it.
Here we go, 3-0.
Yeah. So she wants us to go and celebrate. So that will be in August. So if I don't get it off, I'm gonna be taking them off anyway because if there's anything going on that week because it's a couple of things in mind, going on in the house, I won't make it to any of the events. So, but yeah, we'll see how that is going. I mean, the Jersey trip will give us some time to
You got one, two? Yeah.
Cool, I got you.
Yeah, it is.
Get out, Gabe.
Let's go, Gabe. Let's go, Gabe.
Oh my God.
Here you go, 3-4. Come on, kid. Here we go.
Let's go, big 3-4.
boy!
Let's go now.
Bottom of 4? Got nothing? Nothing bottom of 4.
Go, let's go! Get out there!
The team is in here. So can we just keep moving without cutting out? Is that fine? Or?
He broke his leg.
He's hurt.
Yeah, they don't want to grab it out. How's it going to work on your...
Like, we're not, yeah, like, we just want to play.
What?
The 44, the lefty, he's hurt. He's injured out. And I think the rule is out, but I would like to opt out of that rule to just play the game straight up. Like, I don't want to penalize the team that's hurt.
The only thing I can think about doing is...
Can you just pretend?
The only thing you can do is... I can figure in...
Yeah. Okay. All right.
So when he comes up, just give him a walk.
Yeah.
What? Put
Intentional. Yeah, because that goes against his count. Yeah, I don't want to
So
do
we can do it
that.
that way intentional? That's fine.
Yeah, so then we'll just order. Hey, coach. 44 would be an intentional walk. All right? You know what I mean, dog? Huh? I think so, but you know what I mean?
Figure that out.
Yeah, that's all. We're good. Hey, go.
Yeah.
Somebody got to do it. Hey, Dave, right there, you know. Have we got nothing to shoot one? What? You're good, man. Now we're here. Okay. Hey, go to work. Come on, kid. Outfield. Join the head. Good. Hey, you gotta win it. Let's go. Win. Hey, Nat, right here. You gotta roll me up. Get up, bro. Let me know. Hey, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Hey, me and you. Hey. Go, 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 go. Get here. Get here. Breathe.
That would have been so.
Come on. Got time.
If he was the one who was pointed out, I would, yeah.
Go, Todd. Run out. Let me hear it. Win.
Yeah, I know. He'll go. That's what we did with the
You're good, baby.
Oh, that's cool too,
Wait here, wait here.
Make the right choice. Oh, yeah, no.
Go, man.
Curve on the, yeah, definitely. I'm like, oh.
You're good.
Right, and it's you.
All right, boy, nice pitch. Up boy, way to block the kid.
Hey, Bobby, you. Run out. Go, baby. There, good, baby. Relax.
Follow through all the way down.
Down.
Right?
Stop. Hey, look at it. Run out. Come on, right here. Let's go, baby.
Thank you. Hey, why you got the other team out to the race? Let's go. They wanted more than y'all. Let's go. They wanted more than y'all.
Hey, talk about it. Let me hear it. Come on now.
Come on, kid. Hold on.
We got done. Put up. We got done. Put down right here. Let's go, kid. Put down. Here, kid.
Yeah.
Hey, what did you wait? Here we go. Hey.
We got more to go. Yeah. Four. Second.
Okay, yeah. We'll put your last down. Okay.
Yeah, here's our capture. You want the last inning?
The one before that, yeah.
Yeah, it's just the last batter, whatever is good here.
All right, dude.
Right here. One down, roll it out. Hey, we're the pros. Hey, roll me up. Talk about it. One people right here. Me and you, that's it.
Here we go, one. Put me up. Hey, come on, right step, go to you. Run out. Right, kid. There, good, baby, right here, Nate.
Finish up, Nate. Finish up.
Come on, kid.
Run it. Run it. Big ball here.
Focus on the battle now. He's not running. Here we go.
Roll me up. Let's go.
Right, kid. Right here.
That boy. That's it.
Go, kid. Right here. Put that, Nate. Let's go, babe. Let's go, baby. One out. Good.
Another one.
Great kid. Head down. Let's go, babe. One out.
Right. Out.
Play.
Somebody on it, please. Wait here. Wait here. Hey, help me.
Go one. Easy field, easy way.
Hey. Be smart. Take away. Take away.
Let's go, babe. One out. Here, Nate. Let's go, babe. Hunt out.
That ball would block it. Come on, 2-9, make him earn it. Here we go.
Come on, babe. Good job right here. Come on, baby.
One and 0, baby.
We're here. We're here. Hey, anywhere. Hard to you. You're good. Easy way. Nice arm. Runner! Noah! Carlos Taylor expects the ball.
Still have time with the practicing those people. 12 minutes. I'm still have time. What? Yeah, I've got 12 minutes. Five cameras out there.
Hey, which replay you need?
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad. Wish you were here. Love you guys.
Hey, that one's live on Facebook, so.
Hey, what's up, Facebook? We need you in Vegas, baby. Let's do it.
What am I saying about reports?
Hey, new arm. Hey, new arm. New arm. New arm.
Hey, new pitcher. He had a couple of shots in the previous games, but they were like pushing him like
Hey, boss. We're gonna flip our lineup and get pinch hitters, and we're gonna keep the same people. Okay, so I told them to announce it just to get the practice that they have. But they're just pitch hitting and not defensive service. Oh yeah, no, I want them to do it though. I want them to like take ownership. You know what I mean? Be ready. Yeah, everything. I got you, brother. Yo, you have to announce it. You have to announce first name, last name.
It's so everybody involved with you, so like almost a fight. All the fouls and everything.
Can you tell them that you're not on the
Alex.
They can go finish.
Let's go, Alex.
Come on, Alex.
Go, Alex.
Let's go. All right, Alex.
I know what it was.
Go yell at him. Come on, let's go.
That's his last name? What's the monkey? Alex.
My boring life of baseball. Hey, W. China, let's go.
All right, you saw me. Oh, you saw
All right, you
it.
ready, kid? Here we go. Come on, 3-6, let's go, kid.
Good eye, Alex. Good eye.
Hit me, baby, hit me. Hit me, baby, one more time.
Hey, nice swing, nice swing. You got it, mijo.
Keep your head in the other way. Here we go. Come on, Alex.
Good eye, Alex. Good eye, kid. Way to battle.
Hey, make sure.
Hey,
Over here, Gabe.
Over there, Gabe.
Hey, Jackson for Rubinski. 13 for 20. What's your last name? Jackson.
Come on, 1-3, let's go, kid. Bring him in.
Go, Gabe.
You hit a home and you have to run that fast.
I got you. Hey, let's go. Elevate it. Go to work.
Get out, here you go. Huh? Oh, I missed it. So much.
Hold your seat. Down in your legs. Let's go.
What's your, what's your team? Tell it out there on the apple. And my sister will have my wife. Hey, I heard you're going to see me. I'm like, run, rush.
Let's go, babe. Run out,
You got it, you got it.
You got it, Gabe.
Run out, kid. Back time, let's go.
Him and his buddy got like 3 each. He got that coupon over there.
Man, good take.
Yeah, coupon for every 5 ball. Yeah. So they were chasing 5 ball all over the place. Both of them, they all got like 3 sandwiches. We took a Chick-fil-A or 4.
Go, baby!
You good? You good? You get it next time, kid. You get it next time. Here we go.
Over here, Brandon.
Brendan Wake for Jason Baldwin. For number 40.
Go, Brandon.
Here you go, 2-4. Come on, kid. You good? You good? Back! Help boy, Alex!
Santos.
You make contact, kid!
Bermudez.
Damage, huh?
Let's go, Mackie. Run down, Mac. Hey,
It's just that every year, as far as I can remember, they had the
Get out, get out!
up!
Go, Brandon.
All right, 1-1, bring him in, kid. Here we go.
Go, Mac.
Four for 20. Salvador. Oh, wait, my Franco.
Yeah. And there's someone that father of country. After he didn't have to get work to the cookers. I went out there like I was like a whole year, you know. I went out there on my shoulder. Had to have surgery. Now, boys, get out, get out. I remember the train we had it. Oh, we couldn't even run anymore.
Hey, be a winner. Let's go. Be a winner. Let's go.
Well, they got that big complex in Woodland, so they have like 10 teams during the season out there softball. Oh, yeah. Come on, boy, you ready? Kids, bring him in. Here we go. You ready? Wow, boy, battle.
No one better, Travis. Let's go, kid. Good, Travis. Good, kid. Hey, don't go out of your zone, Travis. Out of your zone, kid.
Get out, get out.
Alright, good to see you.
Let's go, Ryder. Let's go, kid. Let's go, big 1-9. Step off for a ride, Ryder. Let's go, kid.
Hey, you got to load this thing, right? Show me quickness. Show me quickness. Run out. Let's go, Ryder.
Yeah, I know. Come back when you're ready.
She's actually
Get off, get off, get off.
Hey, boy.
Come on, 1-9, bring him in, kid. Here we go. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, boy.
Yes, sir.
Come on, baby. Boy. Let's go, Noah, right here. Do your job, kid.
Yes, sir. Come on, like it.
Let's go, P.O.
Let's go, bro. Woo! Hey, you're on it.
That's what I do when I play with him.
Let's go.
Yeah, follow it back first.
Hey, God. Hey, my runner, you still let some bags. You should have been going. Anticipate.
Yeah. Well, I'm pretty sure live, right? Okay, with the same coach, which is the Roller Tiger. So, the two started out to try out for last night. The first like gravity glove was for the play, right? Type of left hand was attacking. So he's like, oh, you know, I'm not going to see you catching in. The gravity right hand is going to left field, right field. So like, dude, kill my chest. I was maybe 13, maybe up. He left us. And I feel like he's I try to know what time for.
Sit back, Anthony. It's not going to challenge you. Sit back. Hey, sit back. Come on out. Let's go. Go back. Go back. Hey, two wet.
There's something professional that they play out there, but they don't have practical work. They're coming back. Few years. I think well, you got that arm. All kinds of women. The whole thing is the only lesson. And out of all those things, only this was 2 weeks. That was it. The rest of it, he was catching. You won't do that really big.
Back stop. Watch the angle.
Everybody was happy.
Still aggressive. Let's go.
Come on, 3-0, bring him in, kid. Here we go. Well, what's the score? 180. I didn't get that. Unless the other team is on. Oh, yeah.
Right now, you're like.
Más que se van a ir los que me la quiero, vamos a llevar a el pantalón.
Hey, yo. We need two out rounds. Playoff baseball. Let's go. 2 out rounds.
You're up.
Hey, you gotta go home. No back pick. No back pick. What?
Hey, that's what I mean. Trust your low. All right? Don't fear no doubt. Trust. Backside quick. Backside quick.
Yeah, I'm going to do till the end of this month.
Hey, that's a fine.
Hey, here we go. Dug out, stay locked in. Come on.
Oh, man. Come on. Now you got to win. Come on, man. Stay on the road. You okay?
Hey, best of KD every day. Come on. Come on. Come on, Chief.
Stay on the swing. 2-2. Let's go, kid.
It's so tempting to just
Go, kid. Hey!
Yeah.
No. Nah, I'm scared. No. No. You lost? You lost? Oh, I'm subbing up.
Come on, 3-4, bring him in, kids.
Let's go, Rubio! Got one. Go. You never know. You can score. Stop. Right?
Why did it do that?
Let's go. On the hot. Go on the hot. Same defense. Hey. Yes. Whoever's doing the game. Hey, you got it? Are you okay? Go. Right. We're good. Let's go. My bad, Bobby. Hey, Israel, gotta get dirty, gotta want it. Hippo, focus, let's go. Yeah, we good. Hey, lock up, let's go, boys. Let's go, Tom. Stay on it. Big boy here. Stay low, let's go. You one of these selfish to go out there and run a risk of coaches. I can't afford a lawsuit. Hey, we got one. We got one. That's about to go. Hey, we got one. We got
Yeah, boy.
How many? Hey, we got two. We got two. Hey, way to work hard, Dad. I see you, son. Let's go. Back ball right here. That boy breaks out.
One more 3-9. Here we go.
Okay.
No problem.
My bad. Let's go.